And on the Tesla front, we're talking about the Cybertruck. Finally, it is rolling off the assembly line. I guess critics would say 2 years late, but it is. It's right there. It's on my screen. I can see it. What do you have there in terms of details?
Yeah, the news of that over the weekend causing Tesla stock to charge higher here. Earlier today, hitting levels not seen since fall of last year. But yeah, Tesla tweeting out that pic of that first Cybertruck produced at Giga Austin. Now, like you mentioned, 2 years after Tesla said the Cybertruck would come out, but nonetheless, here it is. Now, what we don't know if this is just a pre-verification build, meaning the truck was just the first to go through the production line and won't actually be put on for sale. So we'll see what Tesla and CEO Elon Musk have to say about that. But it sounds like Tesla is on track for holding that customer delivery event later this year in Q3 and beginning limited production of the Cybertruck at Giga Austin.
Tesla has done it again. The leading automaker has once again reassured investors that it is still committed to changing the dynamics when it comes to the EV business. In recent news, Tesla revealed that its much-anticipated Cybertruck just came off its production line in Texas. The long-delayed Cybertruck production comes as Tesla continues to experience a remarkable growth in its stock price, and investors look forward to a more profitable season. The Cybertruck will be ready pretty soon, and who knows, it could be sold to consumers by the end of the year. In this video, we're going to evaluate some of the immense potential that this holds for Tesla, and why this could be a sign for more Tesla shares to add to your portfolio. So stay with us as we explore the latest booster for Tesla stock.
Welcome back to the Watch List. I'm Caroline Woods. Let's take a closer look now at the EV market with Ivan Feinseth, Senior Partner, Chief Investment Officer, and Director of Research at Tigris Financial Partners. So good to have you on with us. Thanks for joining the show. So we're talking Tesla today. Thanks, Ivan. So we're talking Tesla today. Shares up about 2.5% as the first Cybertrucks roll off the assembly line, or that I guess that happened over the weekend. How much of a game changer is the Cybertruck for Tesla? I mean, we've certainly been waiting a long time for this.
Well, because it brings more notoriety and more focus on Tesla, and it's been almost 4 years that people have been waiting. They took about 400,000 in orders in the beginning, and now they can start to fill those orders and book the sales. It also increasingly drives people's interest in Tesla because they're getting a lot of press on it and a lot of discussion about it. And it's good for the overall EV industry because the other companies that have trucks, most importantly Rivian, is the leader right now in EV pickups, exceeding the Ford Lightning F-150. So it's, again, each event becomes an exciting time for the company that launches it, like Tesla, and the industry as we go through this transition from gas-powered cars to electric cars.
While the launch of the Tesla Cybertruck in 2019 wasn't without issue or criticism, the hype around this vehicle has been quite successful. And you've probably seen an image or at least video of the Cybertruck somewhere on the internet. Cybertruck pre-orders significantly helped to boost Tesla's sales. For instance, in 2021, a crowdsourced Cybertruck reservation tally was putting the pre-orders at over 1 million units. And in 2022, the same tally put Tesla Cybertruck reservations at over 1.5 million units. Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck back in November 2019. And since then, the vehicle's amassed over 1 million reservations, with some estimates pushing the reservation number as high as 3 million. If this isn't a sign that there are better days ahead, then what is? Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. During its fourth quarter financial report in January, Tesla said it was on track again to begin production of the highly anticipated Cybertruck later this year at its Texas Gigafactory. And Tesla CEO Elon Musk also disclosed that the Cybertruck is sold out until 2027. Despite Tesla delaying the Cybertruck production until 2023, supplier leaks pushing out the start of the production to the end of the year, and the first deliveries not coming until early 2024, there have been some good news regarding the Cybertruck. And the latest one happens to be the best of them. So what does this mean for Tesla and its investors? We'll get into it in just a moment, but before we do, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. There were already indications that the Cybertruck production was imminent. The bears just chose to ignore them. First, IDRA, the maker of Tesla's largest casting press, teased a new 9,000-ton gigapress that would take the prize as the largest in the world. In January, Tesla was spotted taking delivery of the massive casting press. And months after the delivery, IDRA once again teased the preparation for the shipment of another 9,000-ton press, and Tesla was rumored to be the client. It was said that the new machine would be for Tesla and was bound for the automaker's gigafactory in Texas. Musk also confirmed that the machine is going to be used for the body of the Cybertruck at the gigafactory. The new gigapress meant that Tesla is going to have the two largest presses in the world, both of which are expected to be used for Cybertruck production. It was somewhat glaring that Tesla truly had plans to start production of the Cybertruck this year, and this new announcement has only just confirmed it. So let's consider what this means for Tesla and by extension, Tesla stock. Elon Musk has been hyping the Cybertruck as not only Tesla's best vehicle yet, but also possibly the best product ever. After this Tesla vehicle was unveiled, Musk announced that Tesla received over 250,000 reservations for the Cybertruck within a week. Generally, Tesla receives a lot of reservations early after an unveiling, and then it tapers off, but that just wasn't the case with the Cybertruck. According to reports, some Tesla stores were getting hundreds of Cybertruck reservations per week, even during the pandemic. This should show you that Cybertruck is not just a regular vehicle by Tesla, it's going to be a game changer. One thing that makes the pickup truck market lucrative and probably sets it apart from the rest of the auto industry is its relationship with the aftermarket. And by this, we mean purchasable add-ons like mud flaps, light bars, and bed caps. Pickup truck buyers are among the most likely to want to personalize their vehicles with aftermarket parts, which form an entire sub-industry of both manufacturer-supported and third-party add-ons for trucks. And a recent peek inside the Cybertruck showed that it's a suitable truck for a lot of personalization. There is a lot in store for Tesla here, and it will start making sense in no time. In 2019, Cathie Wood shared her thoughts on Cybertruck, stating that she looked at it from different angles and that it far surpasses other trucks. Wood also explained that her firm, ARK Invest, performed a Google Trends analysis about the excitement of the Cybertruck compared to the early days of the Model 3, and the results showed excitement in areas like the Midwest and rural areas. You'll probably know this has extended to different other areas globally. One thing is certain, Tesla's pickup truck launch will bring the automaker into another profitable EV segment in the US. You may, however, have your doubts, since the Cybertruck will still have to compete with pickups like the Ford F-150 Lightning, as well as other upcoming pickup trucks like the Chevy Silverado EV and the Rivian R1T. But what investors should consider is that the Cybertruck is not just a regular truck. This is the same for every Tesla car. While speaking on competition, Cathie Wood thinks that the Cybertruck will be a significant competitor to the Ford F-150, explaining that other electric vehicle makers will have to sell their vehicles either at a loss or at higher prices, since Tesla is able to produce its own batteries and is also lowering the overall cost in making EVs. This is the typical Tesla way, and anyone who's a fan of Tesla knows this. Former Tesla board member and founder of Wesley Group, Steve Wesley, is also pretty keen on the Cybertruck, and he thinks that the electric vehicle is going to be a game changer for Tesla. In a CNBC interview, he said that Tesla's price cut is significant for an advantage over its competition, as well as its Cybertruck, which will soon become significant drivers for the car company this year. And to think that Ford lowered the price of its F-150 pickup truck after Tesla announced Cybertruck production. There is no better proof here, if you ask us. So, what do you think? Let us know down below. And for more exciting news about Tesla, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.